Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another weekly plan with me today. This one is a Hobonichi or a Fauxbonichi setup, and I'm going to be using the Mother's Day kit because it's Mother's Day on Sunday. So here's the first sheet. Ooh, knocking things over. The second sheet and the third sheet. There we go. I'm just going to open this up and make my way to the right page. So this is last week's spread, all filled in and completed. You can see I filled up all those spaces with the deco, and then this is the page I'm going to be working on. I'm quite looking forward to using this kind of kit. It's a different style for me with the roses and the butterflies. Normally it's my kits are a bit bolder and a bit brighter, but I think this one looks quite effective. And it is Mother's Day on Sunday. Well, it is here in the UK anyway, so it fits quite nicely. I'm going to stop chatting and I'm going to start sticking. What I will say is that I am using an oops version of the kit. So this is the a nice version. It's my oops version. I had a few sheets of sticker paper where I printed on the wrong side. Put it in too quick and I didn't realise. So I decided to actually use the paper for myself. So I've got my own kit rather than waste it. So if you see the backs of the kit and see what looks like a Harry Potter one, that's the reason why. Okay, I'm going to stop waffling and get sticking. So here we are, here's my final spread. I changed it up a little bit from last week because last week I tried something new with these kind of checklists, and actually I didn't really use them much. It might be something that I refer back to, but I don't think I need it in for this week. So I have my 4 boxes here, and instead of having the quote box at the top, I've actually stuck it in on the Sunday because that's when Mother's Day is. Then I have these flags next to the days of the week where I'll mark off my husband's shifts. It just kind of allows us to know when we can do things and when, you know, he's at work or, you know, whatever. And then we have quite a bit going on. Ara's got craft club on Monday. There's a phonics meeting at school. On Wednesday we are hoping to stop by and pick up the girls a goldfish each. We have these sticker charts for when they kind of go to sleep and eat all their dinner and all these kind of things, and they've both completed theirs now, and their reward this time is a goldfish, or a golden fish as Lila calls them. So hoping to get those up Wednesday. We're also waiting for their bunk beds, and they are expected Wednesday. We were hoping they would be here this weekend, but that didn't happen, so we're hoping that they'll be here by Wednesday. They don't know that they're getting bunk beds, so it'll be a bit of a surprise, but they keep talking about wanting them and kind of thinking about who will sleep on the top bunk and all this kind of stuff, so we're hoping it'll be quite a nice surprise for them. On Friday, my school uploads a bedtime story. It's normally a story read by one of the members of staff. It could be a teacher, it could be a teaching assistant, it could be a member of the office staff, it could be anyone. And it's my job to film them and then edit them, and then they get uploaded on the Friday, so it's just a reminder, it's like my deadline. And then Mother's Day on Sunday. Not quite sure what we're doing yet for that one. And then on this page I have a list for my meals, for the meal plan, to-do list, and then I track my habits. We've got reading and Instagram, and they're both going really well at the moment, managing to kind of stick with them on a daily basis, which is really good. Change this slightly. This box here is going to be for my new releases. Put that there. So I'll note down what they are for the week, and then I have some checklist bases for kind of priorities I'd like to work on the shop, and then down here back to 7 days for my memories or my gratitude, something I'm thankful for each day, just like a positive thing to look back on. So I'll show you what I have left. Now bearing in mind it might be a bit hard to see because the background is obviously showing through from the backs of these oops sheets that I have, but I have quite a few of these roses. I've got some checklists and some icons. I could actually stick that on there. One of them. There we go. Some more deco and checklists and a half box, and then I have a checklist that I stuck down and peeled back off again, and then I have lots of icons and a couple of flags left. So there's still quite a bit to go, and as with each week, at the end of the week, once I know kind of what space I have to work with, I'll stick all that deco in to fill up any gaps that I have. So that's it for this week. In a moment there'll be a clip with my new releases that will be out on Saturday. In the meantime, I hope you all stay safe and wash those hands, stop touching your faces, and I will see you next time. Bye! Okay, so new releases this week are my Rainbow Showers kit. This comes in a Erin Condren full-size kit, a mini/bullet journal kit, and a Hobo Weeks kit. So this one is the full kit. We have the 4 boxes, the header sheet, check boxes, half boxes, deco, icons, and some extra boxes there, date covers, bottom washi, some headers, and and little things. So this is the full size kit. Each of those sheets comes a la carte as well, so you can pick them up individually if you prefer. Then we have the mini / bullet journal kit. This is the type of kit I use in my own bullet journal. So we have the first sheet, the second sheet, third sheet, and the final sheet. It also comes in a Hobo Weeks kit. So there's sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. So that's the kit for this week. The other new release I have are these aeroplane stickers. They come in all the different colourways. So we have colourful, pastel, mono, forest, frozen, midsummer, sunset, dawn. I think that's it. They also come as mini icons. I haven't got any mini icon sheets cut at the moment, but they will be up on the listing, and there'll be photos comparing the two sizes. But the mini icons are about 1 centimetre, so they're a bit smaller than these ones. Okay, so those are the new releases for this week. They will be out on Saturday.